Hey everyone, this is SkyTrack 13 meteorologist Sean Ash with an update on the severe weather potential for the overnight. And I can tell you this is going to be, if they arrive, it's going to be well after 10, 11 o'clock the way it's looking now. And so that's kind of what we were thinking. It's going to be a real late arrival time. Still plenty of dry hours between now and the storms that are beginning to intensify upstream. Let's show you the numbers. We're still in the low 80s. A little bit hazy, a little bit humid out there. I'm going to show you the radar perspective, and I'm going to expand the map, and we want to look to the northwest. A couple of interesting things in play right now. We're starting to get some tornado warnings across northern Illinois. Now, aloft, we've got some pretty warm air, okay, and at times it can act like a lid that kind of suppresses storm development. You need something, though, to kind of lift the air above that warm layer. Now, they're getting it out there in Iowa and northern Illinois in the form of a cold front. So there's still some question marks on whether or not these storms, as they kind of dive to the east-southeast, if they're going to be able to overcome the warm air aloft. Tornado watch posted back to the west of us. That goes until 12 a.m. Now I'm taping here a little after 8. We don't have an update on the Storm Prediction Center's risk map, so as it stands, metro area remains in play, and as I told you on my last video, I wasn't going to take the metro area out. This is the latest high-resolution rapid refresh model run, and it shows those storms coming in, and the other models are kind of on tune with this. Again, after 11 p.m. So we want you to keep your weather radios on. If you haven't downloaded the WTHR News app or the SkyTrack 13 weather app, which are free, by the way, go ahead and do that. We'll keep you posted. I'll be here all night until Chuck gets in. Chuck and Nicole are going to work through the morning on this. And the question is, if they do hold together, how strong are they going to be when they arrive here? Now, we've got instability, potential energy in the atmosphere, if you will. But by the time they arrive here, are we going to have enough lift in the atmosphere to overcome that warm layer that I was talking about? So that's questions that really no one can tell you at this point in time. But we are still in that possibility of seeing severe storms. That's the best I can do at this point in time. After 11, before 7 a.m., damaging wind, and can't rule out tornadoes. Cannot rule that out. The questions, as I was saying, will the storms hold and how far south? Okay? So here's how tomorrow plays out. We're going to start out cloudy. We should finish the day after a cold front pushes through. We should start to see the clouds clear up. Between morning and early afternoon, a stray shower, a rumble of thunder, very much in play. Okay? Here's how it looks tomorrow afternoon. Eventually, the wind of change will drive down the real sticky air. But I'm going to tell you, you're going to wake up tomorrow morning, man, if we don't get storms tonight, and it is just going to be uncomfortable. Very stuffy. But tomorrow evening should be awesome. If you want to get the grill out, it's going to be a little breezy, but the muggy meter really starts to drop. I mean, you'll notice it tomorrow evening, and especially when you wake up Wednesday morning. Get a little surge in moisture there Thursday, Friday, and that moisture surge will play a role in our next batch of thunderstorms, and some of those could be strong. So late tomorrow we're fine. Wednesday looks like a really nice day, and so then we get on the warm front, and here we go again, another late night, early morning storm event heading into Thursday. And a little unsettled there Thursday and Friday, but I will tell you the overall pattern heading into the weekend, it does look like we are going to see a shift to somewhat cooler than normal conditions. So I will try to update again. Of course, we have the 11 o'clock news, and we're just going to have to watch the storms up to the northwest and see how well they hold together as they get away from the cold front. But stay weather aware until further notice, all right? Take care. Have a great evening.